usually don't like us. We are tax people. We are always at the last coil. At the end of this entire session also, we will be standing with the working people to check out how much tax is coming out of this. So, without that, I will just quickly finish it up. I will try to finish it within 10 minutes. Just a quick look at the structure. Don't look at this. This is not much. What I would like to say is when we are talking about citizens, we are a little bit more specified here. We talk about the business community in general. As far as Odisha is concerned, we have about 130,000 our main client, we call them customers or dealers as we call them. Apart from that, everybody else who wants to do a business has got something to do with the business, they usually come to us. Now as I said, nobody wants to see a tax person standing in front of him, or nobody wants to come to a tax office. The first thing that we thought of doing is to actually start vanishing. Let people do the business and let us vanish, with at the same time with the objective of protecting the revenue of the state. So that is where we started. We started doing some IT work long time back in 2004. But in 2010 June, Government of India sanctioned this Mission Mode project of commercial taxes, and with the objective that it should be completed by March 2014, another 2 months. This is basically our structure, so I will not go into that. What we have done over a period of time is some of the services which are done on day-to-day basis, the business people they do on daily basis, they need a form, they need to pay tax, they need to file a return, they need a certificate, all those things what we have done. We have actually started withdrawing the physical presence of the department and making it available everywhere, almost all the time, 24/7. I mean, we have been successful to some extent. 2% of our dealers are technology savvy, because that they are more from the organic sector. But the 98% of our customers or dealers, they don't really know how to use this new technology. So they are like shopkeepers, middle-level business people, and all that. They are more interested in doing their business and not running after the earlier after the tax people and now after the technology thing. So first thing we did is to set up a full-fledged help desk in our head office at Cuttack, and then spread it across to our circle offices, which are 45 across the state and 12 range offices. So what we did, we started with toll-free numbers, we started with SMS services, interactive business services. Currently there are about 15 interactive business services available. Apart from for each and every transaction, we send SMS to our dealers. Everything he does with us, he gets an SMS. Even if it's a thank you or it's happy or it's happy. And then we started offering grievance system where people are able to come to our website and write in their grievances, even if when they are saying that your people are not good, they are not providing service, they are doing something unethical kind of thing. But still, we have a grievance system. We have a full-fledged email-based support system where we keep on communicating with our dealers, and also first year we had a very tough time because everybody started shouting and doing all those things that we didn't want to do. But then we continue, and finally now people are saying that at least one good thing happened, that you are accepting certain things which you wouldn't have said something 5 years ago. So that's one more thing that has happened. So there is a Facebook page, there is a Twitter page, and now we are trying to do something else also. And then there is a purely technical monitoring support for the technical assistance. Where a person is not able to log in, a person is not able to use his password, or maybe simply use an Excel file to upload his returns. So this help desk is now running, I have not said 24/7, but at least 12 hours a day, and for all the day, including holidays. And there are very few people, about 5 people who are sitting at the help desk on a rotation basis, and we are providing the support. And now what I have done is we have started smaller help desk at the regional offices, so that people, even if somebody is not responding even at their office, somebody is there to respond at the field offices. So that the help desk. Registration, the first thing the person does to start a business is needs a TIN or SRIN, what we call it, the registration number. So he comes to us. Earlier you come to us, you will talk to an advocate, get a huge bunch of papers, run after here and there and do this. We have changed the entire process. Now the entire process has been completely redesigned for the popularly, in technological terms we call a business process engineering kind of a thing. So what we do now is a person makes an application online, completely online. There is no physical document exchange whatsoever. And then we borrowed the idea from the passport offices. We give him an appointment. He selects a time, exact time for half an hour, and he comes to the office with few documents, PAN card, address proof, his business certificate or registration of company, something like this. We don't even take those things. We scan those things. We take a photograph. Half an hour session is over. If it is approved, the registration number is instantly communicated. The dealer wants to apply for a tender. He needs a VAT clearance certificate. Earlier they used to run after different offices to get it. Now it is completely online. Apply. The system will check it, approve it, and the person will need to download it at his place, and you will get a copy in the email also. The person who is demanding a VAT clearance certificate, he can also come to our site and verify if the certificate given by the vendor or the bidder is actually correct or not. So you can see that. So it doesn't even need a physical kind of a copy to get it verified or right person. Earlier we used to get letters, we have received this VAT clearance certificate from this bidder, please verify and tell us that whether this is correct or not. Similarly, no deduction certificate is in case of work contractors.
I think you can wind up. These are general things. These are very specifics. You can wind up in next couple of minutes.
Sir, one last thing that I would say is we have now recently set up a intelligence unit. Earlier, what we used to do is we used to randomly select dealers that these are the people we are going after this year.